Visiting the desert Southwest can be a beautiful and wonderful experience, but some dangers may be lurking. The western diamondback rattlesnake is one of the creatures visitors should be on the lookout for.
The most important thing to do is to avoid the rattlesnake.
Dr. Stephen Maher, an emergency department physician, explains what you should do if you are bitten.
Well, the most important thing is what not to do. You don't want to try and suck the venom out or try and cut the bite. The best thing to do is try and immobilize the area and seek medical treatment right away.
Another creature to look out for is the scorpion. Each person reacts differently to the sting, and symptoms can vary from severe pain to blurred vision.
If you're concerned at all, is to talk to your local poison center, and if symptoms are severe, get help right away.
But the greatest danger is not an animal, but lack of water. Stay hydrated. Dr. Maher suggests hiking early in the morning and bringing plenty of water when exploring.
If you're going to be outside, it's very important to bring water with you, and a lot of it.
For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Ian Roth.